I am Álvaro Gil, and I'm going to be defending my final degree project. It's a comparative study between the civic education in Denmark and the one in Spain. This is the index I'm going to be following. I decided to do my research project about this topic because I've been living in Denmark for 4 months, and I was really shocked about the lower discipline levels they have in school and lower academic demands. However, at the same time, they get to have a really cohesive society at the same time of being a pointer country in the field of education. On the other hand, in Spain, we have bigger inequalities and we get worse results in PISA tests, in spite of having bigger academic demands and being more strict. About the theoretical background, have talked about a history of educative systems, about the Spanish and Danish educational system, paying attention to the educative law and to the different educational stages. For example, the access to university or alternative pathways, for example, vocational training. As for the comparative studies, have talked about the different types we have, and also about how can help us to improve education. In the civic competencies, Spain and Denmark have used the ICCS report from 2009. In this study, they gather data from many different countries around the world. And they use certain items to determine which countries pay more attention to improving the ethics and moral codes of their students. In Spain, we support a bit more participation, civic behavior, decision-making, and we give greater importance to reflection and to the civic code than in Danish schools. We also promote more the participation of our students in social activities like gathering in awareness, like raising awareness about certain issues. On the other hand, in Danish schools, they promote more the sense of belonging to the country. The Nordic countries, they are a model to follow, because they are one of the happiest countries in Earth, and they have really egalitarian societies. And one of their keys for education is promoting equality, critical thinking, and democratic debate. But it also emphasizes social trust, working to make a social change, curiosity, political activeness. The EU has got some policies they want every country to put into use in their schools. For example, they give importance to community sense, the importance of citizenship education, teacher education, intercultural competence, building a common European framework. And after this, we found that it would be interesting to see if the new law is trying to make a change and to adjust to these premises. And more or less, I think it does, because the new law is talking very much about equality, for example, racial equality, sexual equality, economical equality, reducing personal differences, promoting critical thinking, active citizenship, which is what the European Union is telling us to do. However, we're not paying much attention to democracy.